Hello guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets.
Today we are reviewing the
Thermaltake LCGS Versa i570S gaming desktop, model H16SB760-570 LCS, a high-end gaming desktop built for performance, speed, and immersive gaming experiences. This system is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, delivering extreme multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Combined with 32 GB of 6000 MT SDDR5 RGB memory, it ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance even under heavy workloads. The desktop features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, offering stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and high frame rates for modern AAA games. The 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD provides ultra-fast storage, quick boot times, and rapid game loading. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi for stable and fast internet, and the system runs on Windows 11, giving you a modern interface with the latest productivity and gaming features. The Thermaltake Versa i570S also boasts a sleek design with customizable RGB lighting, making it visually appealing for gaming setups.